Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your ICT Tech Guru. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga videos. So dito po sa aking channel, marami po kayong videos na pwedeng panoorin at paniguradong marami kayong matututunan sa mga videos niya. So for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung template ng mid-year review. Okay? So, una sa lahat, ano ba yung mid-year review for? So dito, punta ako sa website ng Deped Tambayan para ipakita sa inyo kung para saan nga ba ginagamit yung mid-year review form. So kung Deped teacher ka, alam mo kung para saan tong mid-year review form. Actually, this is somewhat related to the Ipcrf natin. So mapapansin nyo mamaya sa template natin for mid-year review form, may similarity yung Ipcrf, yung automated natin na file, doon sa ating mid-year review. So, going back, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng mid-year review form? Now, sabi dito sa Deped Tambayan, ang mid-year review form is, mid-year review gives you the chance to confer with the teachers for them to improve the performance. So, may initial assessment tayo na gagawin. Then, kung tingin natin hindi maganda yung initial assessment natin, so may chance pa tayo para improve yung performance. Then, sabi dyan, usually the mid-year review is conducted in November. Usually kalagitnaan nung school year natin to ginagawa tong mid-year review. So you need to provide suggestions, recommendation, and or the most appropriate technical assistance to support teachers in achieving their target. So kung target mo mag-outstanding, so ito yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. So yung mid-year review for makatulong para matrack natin yung progress natin para dun sa goal natin na rating or performance rating. Sabi dito, note that the mid-year review is for performance monitoring and coaching. Kasi baka mamaya along the way, hindi pala natin nagagawa yung mga na-achieve yung mga means of verifications or yung mga things na kailangan natin ma-achieve for that school year. So at least sa kalagitnaan, nakikita na natin kung meron pa ba tayong kailangan gawin na pwede pa natin ma-achieve dun sa mga remaining months ng school year. So the final rating depends solely on the year-end evaluation. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng mid-year review for. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo, pinaka-purpose talaga natin is i-demo sa inyo kung paano ba gamitin yung mid-year review for. So yung mid-year review, ayan. So yung mid-year review form natin is posted siya yung template na gagamitin natin for this school year 2023 to 2024. Posted siya dun sa Facebook page ng Deped BHROD. So, nakapost doon na ito yung template na gagamitin natin for this school year. So, doon sa may link na, ayan, nakalagay yan, you may download the Excel E-MRF form to this link. So, ayan yung i-click lang natin. And then also, may link din sila, may second link din sila na pinost, which is, doon mo makikita yung RPMS, PPSD, multi-year form and tools na gagamitin. So, kung gusto mo rin makita yon, ang gagawin mo lang is i-click yung link na yun dun sa baba. So, ngayon, kailangan i-download natin yung E-MRF na provided ng Deped BHRO. So, click lang natin. So, mapapansin nyo, dito kasi hindi ako gumamit ng Deped account. So, kailangan para ma-access nyo at ma-download nyo yung template doon ng MRF. So, kailangan gagamitin nyo is yung Deped account ninyo para ma-access. Okay? Well, anyway, na-download ko na siya dito. Ayan. Wala. Wait. Close pa lang. Actually, na-download ko na siya. Ayan. Andiyan na siya. So, madali lang naman i-download yun. So, ang gagawin nyo nga lang is i-click yung link. So, kung na-download nyo na siya. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is, i-open nyo lang yung Excel file. Yun. Tapos, makikita nyo, ito na. Okay? Mid-year review form, school year 2023-2024. So, merong mga note dyan, and then merong mga steps in conducting mid-year review. So, i-follow nyo lang yung mga steps na yun. So, una, assess a teacher's portfolio using the suggested mid-year review form. You may write appropriate feedback, reflection notes to give reasons on your initial rating. So, tandaan natin, initial ratings yung nilalagay natin dito sa mid-year review forms. Hindi pa ito yung final performance natin o yung final rating natin for that school year. So step number 2, conduct media review conference to discuss the initial ratings with the ratings. So dun sa mga ratings na ibibigay natin, so may conference tayo to discuss ano pa ba yung mga kailangan natin improve para makakuha tayo ng decent at mataas na rating dun sa mga certain objectives na nakaset for this year. So step 3, discuss with the ratings their respective performance concerns. And number 4, monitor teacher performance and coach them using the performance monitoring and coaching form or PMCF and mid-year review form. So, yun yung gagawin natin. So, basically, itong mid-year review form nga, katulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, ito yung mga initial ratings natin para malaman kung ano pa ba yung mga kailangan natin i-improve para makakuha tayo ng decent score for that school year doon sa performance rating. So, pag in-scroll down mo dyan, meron dyan nakalagay dyan na career stage. So, pipili lang tayo. So, pag kinilik mo yung space ng top hat ng career stage, may drop-down menu dyan. So, may dalawang option dyan, which is yung proficient and then yung highly proficient. So, alam naman natin na kapag proficient yun, pag proficient, teacher ka is ikaw yung teachers 1 to 3. Okay? Pag highly proficient naman, yung mga master teachers 1 to 4 yata yan, or 6 or 5. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung master teachers na. Basta pag master teacher ka, highly proficient. Pero pag teacher 1 to 3 ka, proficient. So, since ako, teacher 2 ako, ang pipiliin ko is proficient. Okay. So, basically, proficient. Because sa mga nilalabas ko yung which is a so, I think this is machine para sa proficient teachers. Alright. So, dito, ako yung sinasabi ko kanina. Walang kailangan interface. It's already. So, anyway, I think naman yung mga details sa kailangan nilagay. Let's say, for example, anyway, season, Euro Center Service Additional, training period, pickup paper, and then season later, so, kasi dito may mga different alongside ng critical. So, kung natin, class, KKRAs, objectives, timeline, rate, means of verification, performance target, rating remarks, the record, and then linear results. So, kasi dito, nag-rate sa E-MRF natin, yung objectives na usually, rate sa atin, sa performance natin, during ITC. So, for example, very knowledge of within cross-curricular teaching areas. So, dito, nakalagay sa means of verification sa paano natin, paano yung gagamitin natin ang pag-unay, verification material. So, dito sa siya. Tapos dito, may rating. Dito may nalagay yung ikaw, yung bilang ikaw sa rating mo. So, kung tingin ka na naman si OPT, let's say kasi palagi na so pinili mo pagpili mo doon yung scores mo pero pwede pa pili initial scores mo lang yung assessment tapos dito ilalagay yung rating yung master teacher o yung head teacher yung rating niya so pwede pa pili kapag final so ilalagay mo siya yung rating mo let's go down to tapos, mas kailangan ano naman yung objectives sa yung scores. Tapos pwede ka maglagay ng numbers. Okay? Tapos, yung rating mo, which is yung basic feature, yung head feature mo, magbigay din sila ng rating, yung isang rating niya. Kaya, hanggang 40, 8. Tapos yung basic feature mo, yung head feature mo, yung rating, magbigay siya ng numbers. So, pwede yung combination or pwede paano ka makakakuha ng reason kasi good excellent score dun sa specific objectives. Yung sa ilalabas na viewers. So, ang gagawin ko kasi paano sa tapos yung executive objective yung assessment sa specific objectives. So, makikita